Hello and welcome. Today we're going to go over everything you need to know about your voicemail system. The voicemail system is very much like the voicemail system on your phone, so it should have a little bit of familiarity to it. There are a few ways that you can access your mailbox. The first way would be to simply press the voicemail button on your phone if it's so equipped. The GrandStream GXP1610 does have this button, and it's the button that has the picture of the envelope on it. Simply press that button and it will enter you into your voicemail.
You have 2 old messages.
You may also dial *97 on your desk phone to enter into the voicemail system. So *97, dial.
You have 2 old messages. Press 1 for...
And that will enter you into your mailbox as well. Now, if you happen to be at another desk phone but would like to access your voicemail, simply dial *98.
Comedian mail. Mailbox.
So we're going to check the mailbox on this phone, which is extension 213. 213. It'll prompt for a PIN.
Password.
Which is going to be the same as the extension number, 213. And that will enter you into your mailbox.
You have 2 new messages.
So once in your voicemail box, you can press 0 for the voicemail menu. We're going to go over it right now, and then we're going to take a listen to it. So once in the voicemail menu, you can press 1 to record your unavailable message. You can press 2 to record your busy message. Press 3 to record your name. 4 records your temporary message. 5 will allow you to change your voicemail PIN number. And you can press star to return to the previous menu or pound to exit the voicemail system. So let's go over that right now. We'll have you listen to that.
You have 2 old. Press 1 to record your unavailable message. Press 2 to record your busy message. Press 3 to record your name. Press 4 to record your temporary greeting. Press 5 to change your password. Press star to return to the main menu.
Okay, so the next thing you go over is after a message playback, the system will play a prompt and wait for you to press a button. So after you hear that message, you can hit 5 to repeat the current message, 6 to go to the next message, 7 will delete or undelete the message, only if it was deleted in the current session. If you delete a message by mistake, pressing 7 again will pull that message back from deletion. Pressing 8 will forward the message to another user. Pressing 9 will save the message into another folder. 0 will take you into the mailbox options, such as recording your greetings or changing your PIN, which we had just heard. Star will repeat the menu options, and pound will exit the system. So let's go ahead and listen to that.
You have 2 old messages. Press 1 for old. First message received Wednesday at 2:04 p.m.
This is a test message for extension 212.
Press 3 for advanced options. Press 5 to repeat the current message. Press 6 to play the next message. Press 7 to delete this message. Press 8 to forward the message to another user. Or 9 to save this message. Press star for help or pound to exit.
So again, 5 will repeat the current message.
First message received Wednesday at 2:04 p.m.
This is a test message for extension 212.
Press 3 for advanced
7
options.
will delete
Press
the message.
5 to repeat the message deleted.
And if
press
you
3 for advanced options.
delete it by mistake, you can press
message
7
undeleted.
to
Press
pull that
3
message
for
back from
advanced
the deletion
Press
folder.
5 to repeat the current message. Press 6
And
to play
9
the next message. Press
will
7
save
to
your
delete.
message.
Which folder should I save this message to? Press 0 for new messages. 1 for old
So you could save these to a
2 for
array of different
work
folders.
messages. 3 for family message.
Okay, and also OnCloud offers voicemail to email. Voicemails would simply be delivered to your inbox with an audio file attached. Simply click on the audio file to listen to your message. It's that easy. And that's a quick start guide to your new voicemail system. Thanks for watching.